All right, hello guys. I am going to go ahead and explain how we are going to do notes today over characterization. So it's going to be kind of like the plot that we inserted into our notebooks on slide 33, except we are now going to be working on slide 35. I know some of you have stuff on slide 34, some of you don't, but we are going to be working on slide 35. So what I need you to do is go to the hub, and on your English 2 period 4 or whatever period you are class, you will scroll down and you'll see the date. And the first thing you're going to do is this steal one, right? So steal is how we are going to look at characterization, right? So you'll see that the S is speech, and we're going to look at what the character says. T is thoughts. We're going to be looking at what the character thinks. E is effect on others. How do others respond to the character? A, actions. What does the character do in the story? And L, looks. How is the character physically described? So you'll click download up here in the top right corner, and it will be right here. You'll go back to your notebook on slide 35. You can either slide this in like that, so it'll automatically be there, or you can do insert image, upload from computer. Insert image, upload from computer, and it should be in your downloads. The last thing you have, it is called steal. You will select it and click open, right? So that is going to go there. Then, if you go back to the hub and go to the next resource, it is characterization notes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all of this. So highlight and copy. And then I'm going to insert a text box on the right side of slide 35. And then I'm going to again right click, but I'm going to paste. Right click and paste. So it should come up and it should look like this. So today we're just going to do fill in the blank notes. So you'll be able to erase this and type what Miss Salyer says, right? I'm hoping this makes it even easier for what we are going to do. So let me know if you have any questions. Obviously today we are going over characterization.